Yes, hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to a Japanese karaoke shop. Now I'm heading for it and I'm gonna share 13 things that beginners should know to enjoy karaoke more in Japan. So guys, let's get started. It's said that Japan is the birthplace of karaoke, and sometimes Japanese karaoke can seem different from the one in your country. In Japan, a karaoke shop usually consists of multiple private rooms that the customers rent to sing, and each room has a karaoke player and microphones, so you can sing privately with your friends and family or alone. Now first, let's see the 5 basic things. Number 1. Differences between companies. Japan has many different karaoke companies, and there are many differences between them, like how much they cost, if they have free time costs, what kind of foods and drinks they have, if they're open for 24 hours, etc. So for the beginners, maybe it's a bit difficult to choose which one to go to. In that case, I recommend Manekineko because the company has its shops in many cities and easy to find. The price is reasonable and usually it's clean now. Besides that, at Maneki, you can bring whatever food and drink you like into the shop, which is usually not allowed to do at other karaoke companies' shops. Actually, when I go to karaoke with my best friends, we usually go to Maneki and we bring what we wanna eat, like McDonald's or something, into the shop, and we enjoy our meals and sing it there. By the way, there's no Maneki shop near where you live. Big Echo is also good. My top 2 recommendations are those 2 shops, and I also often use them. Number 2. Flow of using. The general flow of using karaoke is usually almost the same even at different shops. 1. Check-in. After entering the shop, what you have to do first is visit the reception and tell the information like how long hours and how many people to arrange the details. 2. Going to the room. Next you go to the room. You can get to know the room number from the bill. 3. Getting drinks. Then you can get some drinks from the drink bar or the staff brings it. It depends on the shops and what kind of course you order. 4. Singing. Now you're perfectly ready and enjoy singing. 5. Getting a call. Around 10 minutes before the time is up, you usually get a call from the reception and they let you know it's time. 6. Check out. Finally, you bring the bill and pay at the reception. Number 3. Prices and free time course. The prices really vary, mainly depending on the shop's date, time, and if you're a member of the shop or not. But basically, if you stay longer, the room charge will be more expensive, and usually it's calculated per 30 minutes. Plus, besides the room charge, at many shops you have to order at least 1 drink per person. This is how it basically works. But here, what I definitely have to tell you is what we call free time course. Many shops offer it, and free time means that for a fixed price, you can stay as long as you want and you can drink as much as you want until the closing time. For example, if you choose free time course for daytime, which ends at 8 p.m. and if it's 2 p.m. now, you can stay for 6 hours at the most. But if you want, you can leave the room right now and the price is totally same. If you want to enjoy singing for long hours, like more than 5-6 hours or so, usually free time is more reasonable. I really love free time course. When I was a high school student, I used to go to karaoke with my friend literally every weekend, and using free time course, we kept singing like 9 or 10 hours from morning to night. Seriously. You can sing for like a whole day and you can drink whatever you want, like forever. Number 4. Foods and drinks. It's common that Japanese karaoke shops offer many kinds of food and drink. Using the telephone, you can order food from your room. Takoyaki has arrived just now. It looks good. Itadakimasu. It's freshly made and I like it. In Japan, usually karaoke isn't like a bar, as some of you guys see in your country, but I think it's more like a hotel, because you check in and out at the reception, you stay in a private room, and you can order some food from the room. And yeah, you could sleep on the couch. Number 5. How to use machines. Here, I want to tell you about 3 items: microphones, this machine, and this tablet thing. As for the microphone, actually this is a battery charger. It's better to keep charging at least one mic so the battery won't die. About this machine, you mainly use it when changing the volume or stopping the song. This machine is a remote controller and usually there's an English menu. You use it to reserve the songs. First, you search the song you wanna sing. There are some ways to find the songs like title search, lyric search, popular rankings, the list of nostalgic songs, etc. After you find the song, then just reserve it and you can sing soon. It's simple. By the way, you can stop the song and change the volume from this controller as well. That's all for 5 basic things. Next, I'm gonna share 8 other tips to enjoy karaoke more. Number 6. Avoid peak time. This is just because it costs cheaper and there are less people. The best choice is to go to karaoke during daytime on weekdays, when usually price is the cheapest and it's emptiest. On the other hand, at night on weekends or the day before a public holiday, sometimes you have to wait and it can be very expensive. It really depends on the shops, but the room fee at nighttime can be 4 times more expensive than daytime. Number 7. Skip long outro. Here, outro means the last part of a song where there's only music and no lyrics. If the part is just 5 seconds or if everybody is moved by the song and still listening to it carefully, there's no problem at all. But if not, and let's say the part is around 1 minute, no one is singing and you can just hear the music, it can sometimes cause a situation like everybody doesn't know what to do for 1 minute and it can be kind of awkward. Actually, I think skipping the outro part is kind of unspoken rule among some Japanese people. Everyone I've been to karaoke with did this. To avoid awkward situation, I recommend you skip the long outro. Number 8. Don't care about singing well. If you wanna enjoy karaoke, I think this is one of the most important tips, especially for the beginners, because at first it's hard to sing well and that fact makes you kind of feel blue. Because I felt in that way when I was a beginner. But actually you don't always need to sing well to enjoy karaoke. If you keep that in your mind, I think you can enjoy karaoke more. Trust me. You have just fun. It's alright. Number 9. Don't use the scoring system. You can use scoring system at karaoke. It can be fun to use it like when you just want to get to know your score or enjoy a competition with other people. But otherwise, I don't think we need to use it. Because if every time you sing, the score is shown on the screen which everybody is looking at, maybe you can't help caring about it and you can't enjoy singing itself. Also, it makes a loser who keeps getting lower scores than the others. Okay, loser is maybe a bit exaggerated, but here what I want to tell you is that the lower scores don't make that person feel good. And if that person is you, don't you think it's harder to enjoy karaoke? Number 10. Prepare a song you can enjoy singing. If you sing a different types of song at karaoke, you will get to know there are some songs you can sing more easily. And finding those songs as many as possible is one of the keys to enjoy karaoke more, I think. Those songs help you sing more confidently. The more confidently you can sing, the more you can enjoy singing. So sing many kinds of songs and find lots of songs you can enjoy singing. Number 11. Enjoy listening to other people singing. When you're singing hard, if all the people keep looking at their cell phones like obsessed by cell phone monster or something in a small private room, don't you think it's boring to sing? Yeah, this is just my opinion, but I think it's much more fun. We all can enjoy not only when we ourselves sing, but also when other people sing. Of course, I wouldn't say you have to expand your sensibilities like a monk and totally concentrate on listening to every word all the time. It's just enough to listen to it, sometimes with moving your hands or body to the music. I usually do that, and sometimes dance. Actually, it's simply fun to do that. Plus, it's also nice that you sometimes can find your new favorite songs from the ones other people sing. So let's put your cell phone into your pocket and enjoy the moment together. Number 12. Sing with your best friends. It's kind of embarrassing to sing in front of other people that you don't know so much, and it's hard to enjoy now. But if you go to karaoke with the people you know well, you can feel safe, more relaxed, and enjoy it more. It doesn't matter if you sing really badly or sing only kind of deep songs. So I highly recommend you go to karaoke with your best friends, and if possible, less people is better. Number 13. Enjoy karaoke alone. So far, I've told you about the tips mainly for going to karaoke with someone, but actually going to karaoke alone is one of the best ways to enjoy it, I think. Why? Because you don't need to care about anything except singing, and you can do it really freely. You can sing the same song 10 times in a row, keep singing songs that your friends don't know at all, and move on to the next song after singing just the climax part. No one cares and everything is up to you. It's like the whole world is yours. Plus, you can sing more songs than when going with other people in the same hour. Sounds good, doesn't it? But yeah, I guess some of you guys still can't even imagine that you enjoy karaoke alone. But actually, it's not rare to do that in Japan. There are some shops that specialize in enjoying karaoke alone. And also, I know many people who enjoy singing alone at karaoke shops. Maybe at first you need courage, but once you experience that, I'm pretty sure that you will find a brand new karaoke world. And you're gonna like it more, definitely. So guys, what do you think about the tips? Hope you found something new about karaoke. For now, I think I covered the main tips, enough for the beginners to enjoy. But if I missed something or there's anything you wanna know more about Japanese karaoke, please comment below. Hopefully I'll reply to you or I'll tell you about it in the future video. Karaoke is awesome. And it's really super fun, and I'm very happy if you get to know that and you can enjoy singing more through this video. Now this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys had lots of fun. So see you next time. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. In this channel, I'm gonna share some tips for you guys to live a fun daily life in Japan, especially Tokyo, and I'll upload at least one video on weekends every 2 weeks. Hope to see you guys soon in the next video. Sayonara!